Today, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to allow visitors to reach you directly and seamlessly via WhatsApp, which is one of the most popular messaging apps globally. Whether you're running a business or a personal site, adding this feature can enhance user interaction and improve communication efficiency. So let's dive right into it. To start, you need to open the Squarespace editor. Navigate to the page where you want to place your new WhatsApp button. Once there, look for the Edit button. This is your gateway to personalizing and adding new elements to your page. Click on Edit and you'll see your page transform into an editable format, allowing you to make the changes you desire. Now that you're in edit mode, it's time to add the button itself. Look for the plus sign, which is the ad block icon. This is located typically in areas where you can add new content or features. Click on this icon and a menu will pop up with various options of blocks you can add to your page. From this list, you'll want to select Button. This will insert a new button block on your page, ready for you to configure. With your new button in place, the next step is to configure the link. This is a crucial part because it tells the button where to direct your site visitors when they click on it. You'll notice a gear icon in the link field of your new button block. Click on it to open the configuration settings. This is where you'll enter the URL that will direct users to your WhatsApp. In the URL field, you need to use a specific format. Type in https://www.me/ followed by your phone number, including the country code, but without any plus signs, dashes, or spaces. For example, if your number is based in the Philippines, it might look something like this: https://wa.me/6391234-789. This format is essential for the link to function correctly and connect users to your WhatsApp chat directly. Once your link is set, it's time to change the button text to something inviting. You want your visitors to know exactly what will happen when they click the button. So in the text field of the button, replace the default text with chat on WhatsApp. This clear call to action encourages visitors to reach out, making the purpose of the button immediately clear. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. In Squarespace, saving your work ensures that all your configurations and edits are applied to the live site. Look for the Save button, usually at the top of the editing panel, and click it. This action will update your page with the new WhatsApp button and make it visible to all your site visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your Squarespace site, making it easier for visitors to connect with you. This small addition can significantly enhance your site's functionality and user experience. Thanks for watching and happy editing.